Hello students, how are you? Good morning. In this video, we are going to study in hydrocarbon lesson, that is remaining properties of alkane. One is oxidation, that is called as a combustion, and second one, that is the pyrolysis, and third one, that is reforming. Okay. After that, then uses of alkene. Okay. So the first we start with combustion of alkene. Combustion means what? Yes, combustion means burning of given compound in presence of oxygen. Okay, but there is a oxygen, means in presence of oxygen, and that's why from chemistry point of view that is called as the oxidation, because oxygen is utilized to burn that compound into carbon dioxide and corresponding elements, corresponding fragments, that is water, carbon dioxide and other compounds, just like a carbon, simple carbon, depending upon the which to some extent, which types of extent the oxidation reaction is carried out. Okay, so in the oxidation of alkane, here alkane on oxidation or alkane on combustion in presence of oxygen, okay, from air to form the carbon dioxide and water, and lot of heat is evolved, means this is the exothermic reaction. म्हणजे काय होते की मिथेन गॅस, फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपल्या घरचा ब्युटेन अँड आयसोब्युटेन गॅस, एलपीजी गॅस, याला आपण बर्न केलं किंवा त्याला आपण लायटर लावलं, इन प्रेझन्स ऑफ ऑक्सिजन त्याची फ्लेम तयार होते. ओके, आणि ती फ्लेम आपल्याला काय देते? यस, ती आपल्याला हीट देते. मग त्याच पद्धतीने व्हेन अल्केन ऑन कंबशन इन करंट ऑफ ऑक्सिजन, दे गिव्स द लॉट ऑफ हीट. Okay, especially in case of methane, it gives the near about 890 kilojoule per mole. So here first, that is combustion of methane, CH4 plus O2, means there is a oxidation or combustion. Okay, so it gives the methane contain only one carbon atom, therefore one carbon plus O2 giving you CO2 gas. Plus here 4 hydrogen atom, 4 hydrogen to form twice H2O. This is also gas, and here delta H is equal to minus 890 kilojoule per mole. Here minus sign indicates that heat is evolved during the combustion. Okay, so here this is the combustion of methane. If the combustion of butane C4H10, okay, this is butane, on oxidation giving you, here how many oxygen atom is utilized? 2 and 2, that is 4. 4 by 2, that is twice O2. Okay, so here twice O2. Then methane, butane C4H10. Then after that, here the numbers of O2, then count after the reaction. Then here C4 means 4 carbon atom, so here 4 times CO2 gas, plus how many hydrogen atom? 10. 10 means here 5 times H2, that is also gas, and del H is equal to near about here minus 2874.85 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so if any alkane is on combustion, then here how many numbers of oxygen atom utilized? Here how many utilized? Here 4. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 5 means 13. So here 13 by 2. The general formula is that here any, that is CnH2n plus 2 plus O2. How many O2? Here 3n plus 1 divided by 2. See here. Here n means 4 3s are 12 plus 1, that is 13, and divided by 2. Here 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So here 3n plus 1 divided by 2. where n is number of carbon atom, giving you n types of CO2, numbers of carbon atom n. So n types of CO2 plus here 2n plus 2, that is 2n plus 2 divided by 2 types of H2O gas. That is here if 2 common, that is n plus 1 times H2O gas. Okay, here all. So this is the combustion. Next one, that is pyrolysis of alkene. So what is the pyrolysis? Pyrolysis means breaking of alkene. Pyrolysis of alkene, that is breaking or decomposition of alkane in absence of oxygen at a given temperature to form given smaller fragments called as pyrolysis. That process is called as pyrolysis. So what is pyrolysis? Pyrolysis means thermal decomposition of alkane into the smaller fragments called as pyrolysis of alkane. Okay. For example here C6H14 on a pyrolysis here at 773 Kelvin. First, that is here H2 gets removed, hydrogen gas gets removed, plus remaining C6H12, that is your hexene. Yes. Then if C2H6 gets removed, C2H6, that is ethane gets removed, then here 2, that is here 4, and 6 means here 8. C4H8, that is butene is obtained. And if in the third part, if it is pyrolysis on the very small fragments, means fragments into the 3, that is ethane and methane, means CH4 and C2H4. This is ethene and this is methane. Then the remaining is, that is C3. Then here 4 and 4 means 8 gets removed. So here C3H6. So here propene, this is ethene and this is methane. So here this alkane means higher, here hexane. So higher alkane on thermal decomposition converts into the smaller fragments called as pyrolysis. Okay. So next one, that is called as the reforming or reformation of alkene. Reformation of alkane, in that reformation the carbon alkane having the higher alkane, that is containing 6 to 12 carbon atom at a high temperature and under very high pressure, near about 10 to 20 atmospheric pressure, they gets converted into the ring-like structure or aromatic homocyclic structures. For example, N-hexane, that is called as reforming of alkene, or it is also reformation of alkene. So here higher alkane, just like CH3, CH2, 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 again CH2 and CH3. This is N-hexane. At 773 Kelvin, under 10 to 20 atmospheric pressure, in presence of vanadium pentaoxide or here chromium anhydride, CrO3, chromium anhydride. To form here this N-hexane, it gets converted into cyclic aromatic homocyclic compound, and that is it converts into just like this benzene. Benzene plus hydrogen gas. How many hydrogen gas? Yes, benzene is C6H6. So carbons are 6. Here in the hexane, hydrogens are C6H4. 14. So from 14, 6 gets removed. Okay, so 8, and that is 4 times H2. Okay, this is the reforming of alkene. Then here after this, uses of alkane. Alkanes are used in a domestic purpose, that is for the cooking purpose, and most important part in our kitchen, that is LPG, liquid petroleum gas. Liquid petroleum gas, it has the two alkane, butane and isobutane. Okay, then CNG, compressed natural gas. Then CNG is used as a fuel. Petrol, diesel, they are used as a fuel. Then alkanes are used as a solvent in many chemical reactions. Then they are used as a lubricants, and higher alkanes, they are used as a wax, and also they are used in the preparation of the ointments. They are base of the ointments. Okay, so after watching this video, attempt the following questions. First question. First question, that is, write chemical reaction of combustion of ethane and propane. Second one, write pyrolysis of N-propane and N-butane. Okay. Next, third one, that is, what is pyrolysis? Fourth one, what is reforming of alkane? Reforming of alkane. Explain with example. Explain with example. Next, fifth one, what are uses of alkene? What are uses of alkene?